Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Herb Unboxed. I'm your host, Che Dorena. Today we have the perfect product for anyone who likes to consume CBD as well as get the benefits of the entourage effect. We have the 40-to-1 line from Cannabis. That's a ratio of 40-to-1 CBD to THC. So we're getting a lot of CBD and just a little bit of THC. Cannabis is a company that offers full spectrum cannabis extracts in many different forms like vapes, topicals, and tinctures and soft gels that we have here today. All of their products highlight CBD, though their focus is on a specific ratio of CBD to THC. This is a big part of what makes Cannabis stand out from the hundreds of other wellness brands marketing similar CBD products. Each of these here in front of me has a ratio of 40-to-1 CBD to THC, making them the highest CBD ratios available on the market. To understand why these ratios are important, first we have to understand how cannabinoids work in our bodies. Every human has what's known as the endocannabinoid system, or the ECS. The ECS is a system of neurotransmitters that bind to cannabinoid receptors, or CBRs for short, and produce the effects that we get from consuming cannabinoids. So when we have products like these Cannabis 40-to-1s, what we have is a product that is going to significantly reduce the effects of THC when compared to more balanced ratios. It's particularly great for daytime use when you need those restorative effects of CBD, but don't have time to feel foggy or intoxicated. What's really cool though is that CBD and THC also play nice together. Research suggests that when these two are taken simultaneously, CBD's medicinal benefits, like its anti-inflammatory properties, can actually be enhanced. It's called the entourage effect, and it's when cannabinoids work together to elevate the therapeutic effects of cannabis, kind of like two instruments harmonizing to create a beautiful piece of music. Now that we all understand more about how cannabinoids affect our body and why this 40-to-1 ratio is so important, let's get into the product. Oh, right off the bat, you can see how beautiful the packaging is. Purple's my favorite color, but everything's clean. They just tell you that you're getting a full spectrum CBD. They have the 40-to-1 ratio labeled right on the front, and they tell you how much cannabinoids are actually in this product. You're getting 960 milligrams of CBD, you're getting 240 milligrams of CBDA, you're getting 24 milligrams of THC, and 6 milligrams of THCA. Each dropper is a 1 milliliter dose, which is the standard dose recommended by Cannabis. The most effective way to consume this tincture is sublingually. That means letting the liquid go underneath your tongue and allowing it to slowly be absorbed by the tissues and glands in your mouth and tongue. 30 seconds is generally enough time for this to take effect. All right, enough talk, guys. Let's get into the product. So I'm gonna open this bad boy up. Of course, it is safety locked. We have a few little presses there so we can get our 1 milligram dose, so a little more. There, now we got our 1 milliliter dose, and this is gonna go right underneath the tongue. That tastes amazing. The natural flavors of the cannabis really come through the oil, and it's infused with coconut oil, which aids the absorption and also makes it taste amazing. This is definitely something I could see myself including in my morning routine. A few drops of this in my coffee would start my day off right, and it would balance out all of those coffee jitters. It would have a smooth CBD thing with the caffeine. It would be perfect. All right, we've broken down the tincture. Now it's time to move on to the soft gel capsules. So we're gonna move these out of here. There we go. I'm gonna grab these soft gels. As you can see, they have the same beautiful packaging, and the soft gels are perfect for traveling. You can keep these in your backpack, keep it in your desk at work, keep it in your car. It's great for someone who doesn't want to deal with a dropper, and you're getting nearly the exact same dosage as you're getting from the tincture. You're getting 960 milligrams of CBD, you're getting 240 milligrams of CBDA, you're getting 15 milligrams of THC, and 15 milligrams of THCA. So there's just a little bit less THC and a little bit more THCA, but it equals out to 40-to-1, just like the other product. All right, we've talked about enough. Now let's get into it. Here's your container here. We'll pop these open. And as you can see right away, these are super small pills to get your dosage of CBD. You don't need to worry about taking a huge honking pill that's hard to swallow. All you gotta do is pop this in. I need a little water. And just like this, you have your CBD for the day. That's amazing. It's so good and convenient. I can see myself having these in my backpack at all time. I'm running around, I'm having a busy day. I pop one of these, it's gonna mellow me out and reduce any sort of stress and anxiety I was having. All right, guys, a little bit of time has passed and I've allowed the CBD to seep into my system. And I have to say, I highly enjoy these products. This is a great way to take your CBD. If you don't like the taste, this is completely tasteless. It's so easy to use. You just pop a pill in, you sip a little bit of water, and you're good to go. You're off enjoying your day in a completely relaxed state. All right, guys, that is all we have for you on today's Herb Unboxed. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and hit the little notification bell. And if you're watching on Facebook or Instagram, make sure you follow both the pages. Until next time, I have been your host, Che Dorena, and everyone at home, keep getting high.